What really drove my decision, I was kind of at a point where I just needed to make a big decision as far as what I was gonna do with my life. I was out of high school, I was working at Osco, worked there, got tired of that. Then I started working at a nursing home with my grandma, got tired of that. So now I'm at a point, it's like, okay, you gotta pick something and you gotta find you something that you like. I'm only gonna do something that I like doing long term. You know, after I get bored, then it's like on to the next one. So it's like you gotta find something, get a flyer in the mail. They got Collision Repair starting up program, brand new starting up at Lincoln Tech. I took up autobody in high school, so I already had that love there for cars. That's where I developed that from. My dad's a mechanic. My grandfather was also doing autobody, so that was kind of in the genes. It was in the blood already. So I came in, checked out the scene. I liked what I saw, enrolled. It was real good. You know, the instructors were nice. You know, came in, got a good group of kids. You know, mostly everybody wanted to learn. You know, they wanted to be here. It wasn't like anybody there that was like forced to be there. So you got somebody that's just in the class, just, you know, being a distraction. So it was easy to learn and it was easy to be here. You know, it was fun. If you pretty much know that what you want to do lies in one of the programs that they offer, then you're in the right spot. You know, it's perfect. You know, you get a lot faster than going to a 4-year university, and you're gonna get the skills that you need to survive in whatever industry type that you choose. They really prepared us to be in any part of the collision repair industry, which is not what you get with most people. Most people are only specific to one thing. They learn one particular part of the industry, and that's where they stay. Like, I know every step of the industry. I can go from fixing a bumper all the way through the paint process alone. And not many people can do that, and Lincoln Tech gave me that. When I graduated from Lincoln Tech, what I learned here enabled me to walk straight into a collision repair facility with my credentials and leave out of that place with a job the same day, which probably wouldn't have happened if I had not had Lincoln Tech in my background. The collision repair industry is based off of ICAR, and leaving out of Lincoln Tech, I had 10 ICAR points, which is huge in the industry. I got into the shop and there were guys in the industry, been in the industry 15 years, and they didn't have 10 points. And they were all looking at me like, how'd you get 10 points already? You just got here. But they were all clowning me about, oh, how'd you pay for school? Because none of them went to school. They just learned the craft on their own. Well, I said, well, this is what you get when you pay for it. So I started out a lot higher in the industry eyes than a lot of these other guys. And I got a chance that the normal guy walking through the door that just wants to pick up on this craft and he knows a little bit just couldn't get it.